guys, ever wondered how to get any item in Terraria that you ever wanted? Well, today I'm gonna show you how. Well, to begin with, you're gonna need TModLoader. So let's go in there. Then you're gonna go to mods. We don't even need cheat sheet. What we need is cheat commands. So basically, if you don't have it already, you go to download mods, you go to write cheat commands, and since I already have it, I can download it, but that's the one. It'll have this download with dependencies. You click that, then you go to manage mods, you enable it, and then we go. I see I already created a test character, but I create a new one just to show you. Let's name test 2 classic. Let's create a new world. Let's call it vault. Here it is. First, so what we're gonna do is, for example, give ourselves a chest. You do /give space quotation mark chest, and here it is. Let's place it on the ground, and let's say that we want the Star Fury, or better yet, the Volcano Blade. There it is, Volcano. What we're gonna do is same command, give Volcano, and you have to spell it correctly. Did I not spell it correctly? Here, I'll just copy it. There it is. We put it in the chest. Here it is. Say you want, I don't know, platinum bars or wood. You want a lot of wood. You can give yourself any amount you want. So for example, wood, let's give ourselves 500. There it is. You can do whatever you want with it. You can give yourself potions, accessories, anything you want. And now the question is, how do you use that in your real Terraria playthrough? Well, I'm gonna show you. First, let's exit. Then you're gonna go to documents. You're gonna look for my games. You're gonna go to Terraria, TModLoader, Worlds, and we're gonna look for Vault. There it is. We're just gonna copy all of the Vault ones. We're gonna go back to Terraria, not TModLoader. This time we're gonna go to World. We're just gonna paste it. So we do that. We're gonna go Terraria. And we're gonna go into Vault, and boom, we have it over here. See, we have it. Or let's just put it back in. I'm gonna get it legitimately in my playthrough, but say now you want to get another item. How do we do that? We're gonna get back into TModLoader. What's the next one that's good? Oh, you want the Night's Edge. You don't want to fucking craft it to get. You don't want to like go through the hustle of crafting it. Easy. We go back with our character into the vault world, and we're gonna give ourselves a Night's Edge. There it is. Put it in here. Don't need that anymore. Now, this step is crucial. We go back to Documents, My Games, Terraria, TModLoader Worlds. We're gonna look for that vault again. Copy it. Go to the Worlds one in Documents, My Games, Terraria Worlds, and replace the file destination. Then go back into Terraria. Go into the vault. And boom, the Night's Edge is right here. And you can use it, obviously. But yeah, I don't need it. Anyway, this is how you basically get any item that you want in Terraria. Have fun.